Hey 958 fans, the fuel door on the 958 can sometimes start getting intermittent where it won't unlock. So we've already covered once removing the fuel door, but not the actual mechanism to replace it in case the door does not open any longer. So that's what this video is going to be about. Undoing this is quite simple. It's one screw, that's all that has to come out, and then there's four latch points that are designated by these little dimples. I don't think it's ever helped to really press in the dimples to try to remove this. What we're trying to do is these latches are these little flexible pieces of plastic that you can see we're bending it down here with the screwdriver that latches into the metal surround of the body. And so using some vice grips, the easy way to do this, just use some vice grips on the little plastic tab that's right there. And then with some firm kind of a fast jerk, in a little bit of a low direction to try to pop that upper one out. So just giving a quick pull is what we're trying to do to, there we go, to get it past the bodywork, and then you can detach the entire thing. So removing the vice grip, it's just a matter now of make sure your fuel filler isn't on the lid, and then close the lid, and then we can remove it from the bodywork. Now it won't come all the way out because it's got that drain hose at the bottom, so you just want to lay it and don't pull it because then you'll have to try to rethread that into position. But the latch itself just sits in the bodywork. It's not actually clipped in a retained way. It's just kind of sitting in its little slots there. So it can just be poked out to the frontward direction of the car. So you just slide it out. It's connected by an electrical connector. It's a little two-prong plug. And then the little emergency pull cable is just latched in, and so it's just a matter of kind of twisting it to unlatch it. My preference is to leave the cable in, just it's less work trying to rethread the entire new one through the insulation of the body. So what I like to do is, if this is the replacement part, this is a used replacement part, but we're going to just thread in the emergency cable. So we're leaving the original one in place, threading it in and putting it into position. It really only goes one way with its little slots that retain not only the tab of it, but also the little cable part. So there it is, and then you just pop in the electrical plug, and then this will slide into place. The screw, that one screw, it gets retained firmly by the actual fuel filler door bracket. And so put the one screw back in after putting in the fuel fill door bracket, and then what we can look at here is where the end of that red little cable goes. It's this little pull string. That's the emergency release to unlock it so you can pop it open. There is a little tab that it's supposed to get popped into right there, so the correct position is to put this little tab back into its spot and just give it a little push so it snaps in place, and that completes the fuel door actuator replacement on this Cayenne. And thanks for watching another fix on the 958 Garage.